Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Nassarawa 27. Remember what I said? Nassarawa at 27.1 square kilometers of land is bigger than Israel. Israel is 22. So Nassarawa will feed itself. We will put money here to make sure that we put the youth of Nassarawa out of poverty. Support us. Don't support these people who are stealing your money. We are not going to steal your money. We are not going to steal your money. Support us. We mean well. We are young. We are like you. We are like you. Don't support these people. That is not what we want. We are ready for the job. We are not going to give an excuse. We are not going to start telling you what we saw when we enter. 2 of us are young. 2 of us are educated. 2 of us can stand. We are not worried. We will feed you. Labour Party. The government we are going to form. The government we are going to form will government of youth and women. It will no longer be government of old people. Governance is not a retirement home. It's not old people's home. We form government that is energetic. You can see the 2 of us. We are ready for the job. We are ready for the job. We are ready for the job. We know your problem. Thank you. We will provide fertilizer for farmers. We will support farming. That's all we are going to do. We will remove Nigeria from consumption to production. By now, people will have jobs. Labour Party! Labour Party! Mama, Papa, begin. Support us. Go and start campaigning for us. Go and start campaigning for us. For your future. Don't listen to these people who are sharing money. The money they are giving you is your money. It is the money they've stolen. Go and tell your parents. These people have stolen your money. That's why you're hungry. That's why you don't have a job. We are saying we will give you back your job. We will give you back your future. We will give you back your country. You will be proud of Nigeria.